Happy Sunday! Guys, kagabi, hindi ko na na-close yung vlog kasi na full memory tayo. So, nag-transfer tayo kaya ngayon. Good morning. Today is January 28. Ngayon yung uwi nila Race. Mamaya, nagkape na sila kanina. Anong oras na ba? Basta nagluluto ng kaldereta. Ayan na siya. Punta na siya outside. Ayan, nakapaghiwa na akong cars, patatas, and capsicum. Ayan. Walang tulog. What? No, the caldereta. Malapit na maluto yung ating caldereta, guys. Yung mga bata, nasa labas naglalaro na sila ng cricket. Ang oras na, 12:30 na. So, tamang-tama. Pinapalambot ko lang siya.
Hello, you count. 1, 2, 3, you count.
Pumiyag sa Ella kasi gusto ng iPad. Kinuha ni mami niya.
1, 2, 3.
Ito si Arlo. Tinuturo kita dyan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Do you want more rice?
Thank you, Zach.
If you eat it, I'll give you your but
Lagyan ko na ng cheese yung ating caldereta. Ayan, yung perfect bake. Yung ano to, guys, 3 cheeses. Gusto niyo raw magstay here. Si Ayla. Lagyan na tayo yung cheese.
This is some of the good players there. Lots of
So, ready na yan, guys. Ayan yung caldereta. Mayroon akong linagay doon na rice. And si rice nilagyan niya ng plato yung table natin.
what do you? Oh, you got your bowl.
Sak!
What do you want, Mama? You want rice now? Banana.
Oh.
Okay. That's Barbie out there. You eat that. That's your playtime.
What cloth?
Alright, give that to Holly now.
So, it's ikaw talaga.
Holly, that is
Kumain si Johnny Boy, oh. Okay. Tapos na silang kumain. Mainit pa to, eh. Nabaon ko to kay Sisi kasi ang dami pa namin na. What's wrong? Oh, si Kuya Sak. Sauce niya. Ready na silang umuwi. Kumuha lang si Jan ng ng lobster. See?
No, thank you.
Let me see.
Thanks for the yes, I needed a better one.
May ice pack nga. Ayan.
There's tray there and tray in there.
That's right, cheers.
Yeah.
What is it? Did I take this?
Oh my god.
No,
Yeah.
bring it back.
No worries. I think I'll see you then. See you soon. See you then. See you, Danny. No worries. Thank you for coming.
Thanks, I'll go back at school this week.
Oh, yeah. Dong! Uwi na si Dong. You're going home, Baba. Where's my hug? Baby ko! Where's Tita Manay home? See you soon.
Say bye to Tita Manay.
Say thank you as well, Isla.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Lana!
Louder.
Lana! Thank you!
Kiss Tita Manay. Kiss Tita Manay.
Kiss. Hug. Hello. Give Tita Manay a big kiss.
Where's your tie?
Big kiss and big hug.
Where's your tie? Where's your tie?
Gently. Just suck it up.
Alright, go to Tita Manay. Give her a big hug.
Come on, Arlo. Arlo, come here. Arlo. Where's Tita Manay? Si Yaya. Oh, si Yaya. Kiss si Yaya. Si Yaya. Yaya.
Who's this?
Say yeah, quick.
Pag yan lumapit, talaga, wala talaga.
I think it's something to do with I think like the young kids like them better. Like even Tyler likes Poppy better than
Nana. Ah. How about Manay? Oh, tingnan mo, nag-hug siya doon. Oh, tingnan mo. How about me?
Kiss. Kiss.
Ang gala. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ito siya kay Tito John. Tingnan mo si Arlo. Tingnan mo si Arlo. Arlo to. Pinag-aagawan nila si Tito dyan, oh. Wala, sunod siya. Where you going? That's why? Pythons. Ay, gila. Go to Tito Jan. Go, Baba.
Put it in half, trying to give the other half to this.
Nah, he's not gonna.
Oh,
Check to see on the bit. Check to see on the bit, Dad.
Nah. Say thank you.
Thank you,
Oh my God. Linagay niya lahat ng snake sa ano niya. A trap. Let me see your snake. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Here.
sa likod. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth. Ay, sus, yung ulo talaga ng snake. Ang laki-laki. Tapos yung tail.
Too many times, please.
Chew.
Many times.
It's wicked in that.
No wind. High five. Alis na. Ayla, cuddle tita Manay.
Cuddle, please.
Come on. Oh, come on, cuddle.
and give her a hug and say sorry for being mean.
Oh, cuddle tita Manay. Come here. Cuddle. Okay. See ya. Yeah, goodbye.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Did you boys have this ready?
It's on me.
Bye, Tita Manay.
Oh,
Yaya.
Yaya.
See you guys.
See ya. Thank you. Drive safe. Yeah, run, Mark. Andun na sila. Alis na sila. See you. Magpapagupit sila. Oh, grabe man. Bye!
Hey, bud.
See
I'm gonna
ya.
get all this hair off.
Okay. See ya.
Why?
Love you. Magpapagupit sila. Love you too. Okay. 5:05 na pala guys. Dito ako sa workplace ko. Nag-edit tayo kasi ilang araw ko hindi nakapag-edit. And nakita ko yung karne dyan. Nandito na sila galing sa bahay nila Kyle kasi nagpagupit yung mga bata. Diba? Kasi bukas, start na ng school ni Kuya. Si Kuya pa lang ang papasok bukas. Yung dalawa, Tuesday pa sa kanila. Tingnan natin. Hulaw po yan guys. Yung nakikita nyo dyan. Tingnan natin kung ang itsura ng mga bata. Hi! Did you have a trim? Just oh, look at you. You have makeup on. What did I say about that?
Kuya teacher is hungry and he wants to eat now.
Let me see your hat. Let me see your hat. Let me see. Turn around. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
Wow, your haircut.
Come here, Kuya. Let me see. Turn around. Pardon. Turn around. Nice. Let me see. Kuya. Alright.
Mine? It doesn't. I don't see the difference.
That's just like something
It's alright.
from
Look
my
good.
helmet.
You look good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
This is mine.
Yeah.
This is where it is.
You like your haircut? I'm gonna iron. Mag-steam pala ako ng
Are you ironing it now?
steam. I'm not gonna iron, steam. May steamer tayo dyan. Gutom daw si Kuya. Sayang tayo ng kanin. Kanina nagsayang ako pero naubos na yun guys. So ito yung dinner. And may tira pa kaming caldereta. Yan yung dinner natin. And wala kayong makuhang ano. Kagabi niluto ko yung sticky rice. Para sana sa bigo kaso walang coconut cream. So ayun. I-fridge ko na lang muna to. Balik ako sa aking trabaho. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-ano guys. Mag-edit. Mag-edit pa ako. Edit muna tayo guys. Para may vlog. Yung ating parang bright no? Time check. 7 o'clock na guys. Eh di ba humiisip ko ng pagkain? Tingnan nyo. Luto na yung rice kanina pa. Pagod na pagod sila. 7:15 na. Tulog. Si Kuya, ayaw nang kumain. Nawala na yung gutom niya kasi nakatulog. Yung tatlo lang ang pinapakain ko. Ayan. Gising na yan si Kuya, pero ayaw niyang kumain. Nanonood siya ng tennis. Is it final, Han? Yeah. Pinapakuha ko na kayo. Just lift the... Yeah, just drag it here. Magpa-plancha na. Mag-iron na ako, guys. Tapos na ako mag-edit. Mag-ano na ako, mag-steam ng damit nila. You like your haircut?
I reckon he looks sexy.
Oh, you said that. I didn't.
Ito yung ating... No. No, I'm just gonna drag it here. There. Can you please, babe? Put it back where it was. And put the lights on for mommy, please. Thank you. Just here. Thank you. Namumuna na siya. And, ito yung mga
Bring it up a bit.
na-mine. Nung nandito yung ating mga
This is
sisi.
ours.
Ayan, mga na-mine. Mag-i-invoice pa lang. May mga alas din tayong mga na-mine, guys. Okay, turn it on. Yeah, and then put it back. Okay. I-save ko lang yung na-edit natin. Ayan. And hindi ko gagawa. This one is broken. There's, yeah. Tapong. It's so dirty here. Like, I don't know why it's like that. I don't know where it's coming from. And this one is broken. So, tapon na yan. Pero meron ako ditong... meron ako ditong isa pang steamer. Where is it na nga? Saan ko nalinag? Ayun.
Which one's the
What?
sport t-shirt?
That one.
That one.
That one. This one.
Well,
That one. Yeah. So, simulan na natin ang pag-steam ng damit ni Kuya. First time natin mag-steam ng pang-school. Ay, hala. Paano to ilagay? Meron pala dito. Ayan. Kalimutan ko na kasi matagal ko na ito hindi ginagamit na steamer. Uy, bilis naman mapuno. Malaking steamer, wala na guys, itatapon na yun. Si Kuya, hindi raw siya makatulog. Excited siguro si Kuya. Hindi raw siya makatulog. Itong steamer guys, from Korea. Ayan. May ano pa siya, may ganitong mga attach. Ang galing ko kaya. Ay, wag na lang. Ay. Wag na lang. Steam na natin to guys. Ako lang pala. So, dalawa yung, yun nga, nasabi ko sa inyo, dalawa yung polo ni Kuya tsaka ni Sak. Nag-steam na yung ating, kita nyo, okay. So, meron siya dito yung parang pangkuha ng mga himulmul. Pag nalobat kayo, see you later. Ayan, tapos ko nung planchain yung isang uniform ni Kuya. Ang hirap sa steamer. So, ang ginawa ko ay teren, ayan. Nagplancha na lang ako sa kabayo na maliit. Kasi yung steamer, maliit lang yung kanyang ano, yung lalagyan ng tubig. Lagi ako nagre-refill, so wag na lang yan. So, one down. So, meron pa akong marami pa akong pa-plancha. So, pagpatuloy ko lang ito bukas, guys.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this